Hi you guys, it's Kelly. Welcome to another video. I am here to do a Fendi Skims try on haul. I know I'm sounding crazy. I lost my voice, but you know the deal. If I don't film, then we don't have videos. It's that simple. I have to film consistently or I'll never film videos. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, my name is Kelly Corinne. I don't normally sound like this, like I was saying, but nevertheless, if you are into vlogs, luxury, beauty, lifestyle type related videos, then this is the channel for you. Back to the video. We are here to do a Fendi Skims haul. So, Fendi Skims collabed. Skims, of course, you know, is Kim Kardashian's clothing line. And the collection released on November 9th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hopped on it, made 2 purchases, 2 orders. There was free shipping. Some of the things when I was going through it, okay, if you want to get straight to the unboxing, fast forward. I'm going to link where you can go straight to how it came. Of course, it came in another box, but it has the Fendi Skims paper and logo. Cute little box. It says Fendi Skims. And I have a size medium. Well, I don't know, I turned it around. And it is the high neck bodysuit in the Colorado color. So this was like this purplish pinkish color here. Oh, and it has a little window. Well, you can't see, but it has a little window so you could see in there. That's cool. More companies should do that. So here is the bodysuit. As far as the material goes, I really don't have anything negative to say. Some people said that somebody messaged me said they heard the quality was bad. I don't think that. It's a standard bodysuit. Like, I don't know what people are expecting, like fucking silk. Like, I don't know. Oh, and it has the butt out. So cool. So we will try this on. Box, and it says Fendi Skims at the bottom. And I have the tights in Colorado, and I have the dress in Georgia. So in fact, we're gonna do a true unboxing. Here we go. So, yeah, I have the tights in a large. And here is the dress. I don't remember all the prices. I think the tights were $115. The bodysuit was like $130. And the dress, I want to say $1,100, 11 something, not 100%. And I got the dress in a 44 because I really didn't know about the sizing. Actually, it looks like it'll probably fit. Because I saw a girl on YouTube that had had a 2-piece, and she said that she got a 40, and she was very slim. And I'm thicker than her. I'm about a 10. So I don't know. But honestly, I could have got away with a 42 looking at it because it looks kind of stretchy. But it looks kind of see-through. But this is it. So let's try these things on and figure this out.